bear. Look at the bear. Look at the bear. Look at the bear. Look at the bear.
Oh, I saw it.
That was worth getting out of the house for.
No turn signals. You piece of work. Turn. What are you waiting for? Tomorrow? What are you waiting for? Don't even look. No. I'm sorry. No wave. No courteous. No nothing. Nothing. Not even a look. Not even gonna look. What the heck is that? Look at this guy to the left. Look at that guy. It's a gigantic bear. Did you see him? Well, he's back behind us now. Save video. Come on. Can you make up your mind with what you're doing? You're driving me insane.
Skeptical that those rates of transmission would be the same, because even in breakthrough cases, there's still an immune response, and in many of them there's a very good immune response that prevents those people from developing more severe disease. That same immune response can also potentially having a breakthrough infection, not recognizing and transmitting it to someone else.
Now, some people are wondering if they should hold off on getting their booster shots given the uncertainty around Omicron. Here's Carol in Indianapolis.
That car is done. Ooh, that's oil. Phew. Don't stop driving your car. Stop driving your car. Golly, they're still driving it. You should stop driving that car.
I think my husband just put oil in it, and I think
Is it too much? He's got too much oil in it, maybe.